Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to show you how to make something called a foil print. So we're going to be drawing a picture on a piece of paper. So you'll need some paper, a pencil. Hopefully you have some markers that are washable, and a piece of foil. Okay, so our first thing is to draw a picture. So for this, you can draw anything you want, anything. Maybe you want to draw a spring picture, a summer picture. We could draw animals. You could draw flowers. It could be a robot. Anything you can think of.
Mommy,
Draw some fish. Let's see.
Of all the fishies.
Okay, can you show everybody? Very nice.
Now
Okay.
now my pencil is broken, so now I need to sharpen it.
Not yet, because we're going to do another step, okay? So, it can be a really simple picture. You could draw one thing. You could draw a whole scene. It really doesn't matter for this what you draw. So, I just did a couple little cartoon fish and some waves in the water. The next part, what you want to do is draw, is trace, because it'll show up better. So you want to try not to use a washable marker for this part, Sharpie, or a black crayon, or a dark colored crayon. Okay. Okay. After we draw our picture, now we're tracing our picture with black. So let's show everybody what we did. Okay, I did the black crayon. Go ahead, Anthony. How's yours look? Good job. Very nice. All right, fold it up. You can do some waves. Beautiful. Okay, so we did some fish. Now here's the fun part. So we're going to put our picture off to the side. And we're going to take our piece of foil. I put, if you don't have like something to protect your table, we have a tablecloth, but you could just get a paper towel and put it underneath your foil, just so you don't get marker all over the table. Alright, so let me show you how we're going to do this. Okay, we're going to take our markers.
And then what?
We're going to take our markers and whatever colors you want, you can do all the colors. Just got to do stripes of colors. So, you want red?
I mean, what do we have to do?
We are going to do stripes like this. Just going to color all the way across and straight. And then go all the way across. Right? Okay, then I'm going to take another color. You could do it in rainbow order. You could do it just certain colors. Okay, so yeah, you have to be careful that your foil doesn't rip. So use the side of the marker. Kind of be gentle. Use the side of the marker. The others on the side. Try not to touch the marker with your fingers because it's going to be wet and then it's going to get in your fingers. Right?
Maybe why is it wet?
Because it's washable marker on the foil. It's slippery. It's going to be really cool right now. Okay, so let's see. Some yellow on the bottom. So I did not do mine in rainbow order. It really doesn't matter.
Why is it green?
You can do stripes.
Maybe why is yellow green sometimes?
It looks a little green with the foil. Okay, so you can see. Now we're going to go back and we're going to take our drawing. Okay, now once you're done your drawing and your foil, we're going to move our foil away and put our drawing back. You need to get your drawing wet. So you have a couple options depending on what you have at home to work with. You could just take a paintbrush and some water, get it wet that way. If you have a spray bottle, that's easier. You can just spray, hold on a second, okay. You can just spray your picture with some water, okay?
I gonna do it on my paper?
Mm-hmm. Spray it all around, not just in one spot. Good. Okay, I don't want it to be too puddly. It's a little too much water. Okay, so you only need a couple sprays really, because if you spray it too much, then your paper is gonna rip or get soggy. Okay, another good reason to have your paper towel underneath.
Okay.
Right, now we can get our foil back. Okay, I'm gonna take our foil. That's your foil. Okay, we're gonna flip it over so that the colors are on top of our foil. Now we're gonna rub. Are we ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! How cool is that?
Maybe I forgot.
Now you have a colorful picture. Okay?
Mommy, maybe we forgot there.
If you miss the spot, then you just need to wet it a little more. Put it back down. Just rub in the corners. One, two, three. Whoa.
Maybe I need to put that a little bit.
Okay, and you can try it again and again.
I can try.
Beautiful. Okay, so if you put more water, then your colors are going to bleed together a little bit. If it's a little more dry, then you're going to see the stripes. And there's no wrong or right way, whatever you like to do. Once you get the hang of it, if you want to try again,
Mommy,
drawing a different picture,
Mommy.
you could do your colors in a different way. Maybe you could just pick one or two colors to do. So that's up to you. Just a fun little easy project that hopefully you can do with some stuff that you have at home. So give it a try and let me know what you think.
I hope it's not too soggy. Or if your paper is too soggy, if it's getting too soggy, then when you spray it, then it'll get too soggy, and then you'll get a new piece of paper and whatever.
Because it could rip, right?
Because it could rip.
So I think you've enough, and make sure you put it all over every part of the paper. Because look, otherwise we're gonna have a big puddle. Okay, so maybe we spread it around a little bit. So sometimes it's easier if you just get a paintbrush and water. Okay.
And now, this is my foil. And then we're going to close it up with, and then we're going to have a big pipe. Okay? Then we're going to have a big pipe. Okay? Are you ready? One.
Wow.
Now we're going to spray it a little bit more so we can do it again, okay?